As an Indian exporter, choosing the right financing option is crucial for your business growth. Today, let's compare factoring with loan against property, lines of credit, and letters of credit. First, let's talk about factoring. Factoring allows you to sell your invoices to a factoring company in exchange of immediate cash. It's a great way to improve your cash flow without waiting for customers to pay. Pros include quick access to cash and improved cash flow. Cons are the fees involved and the potential impact on customer relationships. Next, we have loan against property. This option involves using your property as a collateral to secure a loan. The pros are lower interest rates and longer repayment periods. However, the cons include the risk of losing your property if you default and a lengthy approval process. Now, let's look at lines of credit. This option allows you to borrow up a certain limit and pay interest only on the amount used, providing flexibility. Pros include flexibility and interest only on the used amount. Cons are potential annual fees and compliances like proving regular stock statements, etc. Lastly, letters of credit. These are often used in international trade, guaranteeing payment to suppliers and ensuring trust. Pros include risk reduction in international trade and payment guarantees. Cons are the high fees and complexity in terms and conditions. In summary, each financing option has its unique benefits and costs. Factoring provides quick cash flow. Loan against property offer lowest interest rates. Lines of credit give flexibility, and letters of credit ensure trust in trade. There are banks, financial institutions, and fintech platforms which can offer all the above options. One has to decide which institution and product may be best suited. You can also discuss your requirements with platforms like OneNDF to help you decide the most suited product as per your unique scenario.